The golden leaves fall soft and slow. Whispers dance where the cool winds blow. Each step crunches secrets low and deep. A lullaby the forest sings to sleep. Oh, golden leaves, oh, golden light, you hold the day, you kiss the night, radiant skies with splendid glow. Carry my heart where rivers flow. Branches arch like cathedral walls. Every color a memory calls. 1,000 shades of love in flight, burning bright before the quiet night. And when the world feels far away, the autumn breeze knows what to say. Oh, golden leaves, oh, golden light, you hold the day, you kiss the night, radiant skies, resplendent glow. Carry my heart where rivers flow. A single leaf drifts to the ground, a gentle hush, the only sound. In the stillness I hear it clear, the melody of being here.
Amber and gold on the breeze they sway, dancing softly in the sun's last ray. Each leaf a whisper, each step a sigh, painting the ground as the moments fly. Do you hear the rustling tune, a melody beneath the moon? Whispering leaves in the autumn air, a song of peace beyond compare, radiant colors falling free, a quiet hymn for you and me. The trees hold secrets in their arms so wide, telling tales of seasons time cannot hide. The wind, it hums a gentle refrain, healing hearts with its soft, sweet strain. Whispering leaves in the autumn air, a song of peace beyond compare, radiant colors falling free, a quiet hymn for you and me. Close your eyes, feel the gentle flow. The world turns quiet as the moments slow. Healing tones in the rustle and glow, a comfort only autumn can bestow. Whispering leaves in the autumn air, a song of peace beyond compare, radiant colors falling free, a quiet hymn for you and me.
Golden leaves are falling down slow. Whispers of the wind, they softly flow. The amber sky wraps the world below. Hold the moment, let it breathe. Let the light paint every tree. Shadows stretch where the sunlight bends. quiet story the forest sends. Breathe it in, let it stay. Time won't take this away. Hold the moment, let it breathe. Let the light paint every tree. Golden leaves, golden leaves. The world exhales a tender sigh, a canvas brushed by autumn's eye. We're just a part of this love